Hello, Namaskara. In last session or previous session, I have given a brief idea how we can draw the pie chart. And today, I will give how to draw the pie chart in simple manner without doing a lot of calculations on it. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಟುಡೇ ಸೆಷನ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡದೆ ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಸ್, in a class there are 90 students, from which 20 are interested in science only, 10 are interested in mathematics only, 12 are interested in sports only, 16 are interested in social studies only, 8 are interested in languages only, and remaining are interested in cultural activities only. Then draw the pie chart for the given information. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 12 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 16 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 8 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಮತ್ತು ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾಗೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. Now we will see how we can draw this pie chart very easily without doing a lot of calculation. To solve this problem, we need to draw a simple table that includes angles as well as percentage columns. Okay, angle ಮತ್ತೆ percentage ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ we will write down what the things are given. What the things are given here? Total is given. Total how many members? 90 members are there. Then what the is given? They are given the science. Science how many members are there? 20 members are there. Then what is given? Mathematics is given. Mathematics how many members are there? There were 10 members are there. And later sports how many members are there? There were 12 members in the sports who are interested in sports. And 16 are interested in the social studies. How many are there interested? 16 members are interested in social studies. And only 8 are interested in languages. There are only 8 members are interested, and remaining interested in cultural activities. We'll take it as a CA. How many are remaining? We will see how many it is. 24. Remaining 24. Now I will make a table like this. It's one total column, science column, maths, sports, social science, languages, cultural activity problem. Okay, and one is for percentage value, another one is for a angle. Then we will assign second row to the angle, that is total angle of the circle is a 360 degree, right? Then the last row will be assigned to the percentage, that is of 100 for 100. Okay, and we need to compare the values what we know. Okay, what are the values we know? We know total number of students here and the total number of angle here. Okay, just by comparing, how you are going to compare? Just compare it. 90 divided by 360, how much you are going to get? It is a 1/4. That means it is in the ratio 1:4. First we take the students who are interested in the science. Okay, in science column it is given that 20 are interested in the science. Okay, by using this value, how can make 1/4 ratio? Yes, by adding the value 80 here, we can make this is a 1/4 ratio. Okay, in the same way we will continue filling the value. Okay, there were 10 students are interested in the maths. Okay, by filling the value 40 here, we can make this ratio 1:4. There are 12 members who are interested in sports. By filling the value 48, we can make this ratio as a 1/4, 1:4. In the same way, by filling the value, how much it is? 54. By filling the value 54, we can make easily this ratio 1:4. In the same way, there are 8 students are interested in languages and automatically it becomes, we need to fill 32 here. Then last, cultural activities, there are 24 are interested, then this is becomes 96. Then these values are indicate what? These are values are indicating various angles who are interested in. By using this data, we can draw the angles corresponding to the various field. Next, what I need to compare? I need to compare this total value as well as percentage value. This is about by 100. Around we are getting 1 is to 1.111 something we are going to get. Okay, then what we need to write here? We need to write 1 here and we need to write 1.111 something here. Now we can easily fill the percentage row very easily. Fine, let us fill this value. We know there were 20 students who are interested in the science. Okay, then in order to make the ratio 1 is to 1.11, what we need to fill? Suppose it is a 20, then we need to make this one also 20. Then what it will be? It become 22.22 something it will become. Okay, we will take nearest value, that is 22. We will write 22 here. Okay, 22 percentage. Then there were 10 members are interested in the mathematics, and in order to make the ratio 1 by 1.11, we need to fill what here? 11, nearly 11 here. We know there are 12 members are interested in the sports only. In order to make the ratio 1 by 1.11, we need to fill nearly 13 here. Okay, in the same way, there are 16 members are interested in social science, so are social studies. Then in order to make the ratio 1 is to 1.111, we need to fill 18 here. Next, there were 8 members are interested in languages. In order to make the ratio, in order to maintain the ratio, we need to fill nearly 9 here. That means we are going to get this value around 8.888, and in order to make nearly, we are going to take 9% here. And at last, there were 24 members are interested in the cultural activities. In order to make this ratio 1 by 1.111, we need to fill nearly value 27 here. Okay, then the table has been filled. Now we will solve, or now we will draw the pie chart corresponding to it. Now how you are indicating the pie chart? Yes, you are going to indicate the pie chart with the help of the circle, right? First we need to draw the circle. Then we need to mark one reference point here, that is a 0 degree, either maybe vertically or maybe horizontal. Okay, next we will draw the area or region corresponding to the science student. Okay, how we can draw? By placing the protractor, we need to mark 80 degree here. By placing the protractor, we need to mark 80 degree here. This way angle will be the 80 degree, and this angle will be the 80 degree, and the value 22%, and this is region corresponding to whom? It is a region corresponding to the science students. Moving towards the math students, then what we have to do? We have to place the protractor again here. Okay, we have to place the protractor here, and we need to mark up 40 degree line. Then this angle will be the 40 degree, and this angle will be the 40 degree, and the area corresponding to this will be the 11%. 11% will be the this angle, this area. Yes, 48 degree. It is the angle corresponding to the fourth person, and I need to keep the protractor here and on this line, and I have to make a line of angle of 48 degree, and this angle is corresponding to whom? It's the angle corresponding to the sports person, and this region will be the corresponding to the sports person. In the same way, social studies, it is a angle of 54 degree, and I have to mark a angle 54 degrees with respect to this line, and I have to mark a 54 degree, and I'm going to get the reason for the students who are interested in what? Social studies. This is a reason corresponding to students who are interested in the social studies. And at last we left with this reason, this reason, and this reason corresponding to those who are interested in the cultural activities, and angle corresponding to this is a 96 degree, and the percentage value is a 27 degree, and this is the angle corresponding to the people who are interested in the cultural activities. And I hope you understand well how we can draw the pie chart very easily with the help of this table without doing lot of calculation. Thanks for watching. If you like, please thumbs up and please subscribe for upcoming videos.